Oh.
You ready, Mommy?
Okay.
Watch David.
You just pull the trigger.
Oh, I got it. What you doing, David? David, what'd you do?
We're gonna hit that can.
Did you shoot the gun?
It ain't easy to aim while he's holding it.
Woo! You gonna shoot again?
Come on. Alright.
Hit the ground. See all the stuff fly up? That's cool. Can I shoot it?
Is it strong, David? He's so sh I want to shoot it all by myself.
Alright, pull the hammer back. No, you can't do it. Don't pull the trigger yet. That's right.
Oh!
I don't know where that one went. Alright,
Woo!
I'm gonna try.
Come here, David. Come here. Tell me what you did. Tell the camera. Say, hi, Mammy. I shot a gun.
Where is she?
Tell her on the camera.
Let me see.
Say, bye.